What is up, YouTube? Your boy Noah's back at Tampa Boys Customs. You see me, I'm doing some work today. See a little pit bike over there and the trike. I finally got these crappy wheels right here off. And they were a pain in the ass. I welded them onto this shaft. Well, I finally got them off. I got to make some hubs for these new wheels. But you can see these are going to look slick, guys. Got the slicks on there. So we're coming along, guys. Want to get a little update. I think this is part 3 of the rebar build. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, I got these braces I made for the back too. Got to figure out how I'm going to tie the axle in yet. You see those bearing pillars are there. So I got to come off the back of the frame here, something like this maybe. All these leaves in my way. So I'm thinking about dovetailing off like that and then to some brackets. I'm even thinking about adding that shock. So let me know what you guys think, if I should have rear suspension or just make it a solid axle. I'm really liking the way those two Harley shocks would look in here. Sticking up maybe right here, you know, off the back here. Yeah. So the axle will be about right here. Right about where that PVC cam blaster is. So you can see it's gonna be pretty long, man. I'm telling you. Got the motor plate in there finally. That took me forever. I only notched the front holes because the back hole is pretty much going to be stationary. That's why I made 3 holes, so I can move it a little bit, but it's pretty much going to be stationary, and then this one will adjust forward for that chain. And, you know, we can adjust a little bit here and a little bit there, guys. Like the 2-wheel design, I got that little axle under there. I was thinking about using that, and I have 2 front wheels, but since I went to the 2 back wheels now instead of the 4, thinking a 1 wheel in front might be okay. I do have some big Baja mini bike tires that would probably work pretty good. So there it is, guys. It's coming along. Just need some money. Just money holding it up now. I need some new Predator motors. Anybody wants to donate to the Tampa Boys Customs Fund, guys, we now have a PayPal. I've never asked for donation in my life, but if you guys want to see this build progress faster, we need some donations. I have 1 motor already, and the sprocket, and both clutches. I just need the other motor. As you can see, I had that rear end out of another cart that I had already previously made. I get my dad to help me, and we make these rear ends. See, we got the keyway for the sprocket. I might end up having to. I can buy some hubs for these wheels that are keyed, so I might have to key the 2-inch shafts too. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet there. They have locking ones too, so I haven't decided which style I'm gonna go with yet, but we'll figure it out. I'm really just waiting. I want to get the motors on it. That's my big deal here. Is I got 1 new motor over there for it. I just want to get both of them on here and get them chained up, and then, you know, then I can mount the rear, because I can't really mount the rear axle until I get both motors on and see where that chain is gonna lie. You know, that's a big deal of the height, for everything. I mean, it matters. That all matters there to be able to hook up, you know, to my sprocket. So, all right, guys, I just want to take a quick little video. I've been working on it. I know I've been slacking on moving forward with this thing, guys, but it's been hard, man. I work a full-time job, and then I come out here and work this when I can. I'm here every weekend and working as much as I can. Just not enough hours in the day, enough dollars in the day. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna call that it for this video. Little mini bike running good. Got the little mini trike running good too. You know, we riding them. We love them. All right, guys. Tampa Boys Customs is out.